brought you out here in the desert so that you could see a couple cool birds. You don't usually find these birds in the desert. Not here anyway. So let you take a look at these birds. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful bird. F4 Phantom. That's a cool looking plane. And there's his partner right there. How about that? Two cool looking birds. I don't have my gimbal with me, so I don't know why I don't keep bringing it with me. But look at this, look at this, look at this. I was Air Force, so I can appreciate this plane. I was Vietnam era vet. Wow, I like it, I like it. Let's go over here and get some information on them. Cool, cool, cool. Here's some information. If you can't read it, I'll go ahead and read it. This is the Phantom II. McDonnell Douglas F4 Phantom was a multi-service aircraft. Served as a primary fighter with Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps during the Vietnam era. This carried a crew of 2, a pilot and a weapons systems officer. It was capable of speeds in excess of Mach 2, 1,400 miles an hour. Woo, that's fast. Boy, if that was coming over this low, it'd knock you over. So this is so cool. 2 lovely birds right out here in the Arizona desert in Quartzsite. I saw these the other day when I was riding by with some friends and said, I gotta come back and get these. Alright, let's take a round look at the back. Got a little rustling of leaves here. It's kind of windy. Hope the wind isn't too bad. This is the loud end. And you can tell that this plane was a carrier plane. See that tail hook right there? That's what snatched the cables on a carrier. So these two were carrier bound, or carrier stationed, which is cool. Oh, a smiley face. And it had 2 engines in it. I'll have to look up and see what they were, and I'll let you know. Could have been Pratt Whitney, I'm not sure. They had this tail that slanted down. It helped with maneuverability. Something you just don't see every day. You never know what you're going to see when I'm out around. Alright. I'm going to head back to my camping spot. Call it a day.